Today we are going to blink an LED with the help of Arduino Uno. In this tutorial we are going to see the very basic of Arduino programming, and the purpose of this video is to introduce the concept of Arduino Uno to the beginners. So let's get started. So first let me call Arduino Uno here. This is our Arduino Uno, and let me call an LED. I will connect this LED to Arduino digital pin 13. Now that's it. Now we will program our Arduino. So let me remove all this. So in programming, what we do first, we will declare a variable called LED, so what we do, we declare an variable Arduino. We will declare an variable LED int LED is equal to 13. This tells that LED is connected to the pin number 13 of digital input output of Arduino. And now we will come to void setup. In void setup, whatever we write a program, this only runs once. As we power up our Arduino, it will start running, and it will start only once. And if we reset our Arduino Uno board, then also it will just run one time. In this we will use a function called pin mode, and what pin mode does is it tells the Arduino which digital or analog pins are output or input. So we are using LED to blink, so LED here is output, so we'll write LED, then comma, then output. Remember, output should be in uppercase. Now that's it. Come to void loop. As the name suggests, whatever code we write in it, it keeps on looping infinite time. So here we want to blink an LED. So for that we have to first light up our LED. So for that we use a function called digital light. What digital light does is whatever pin we will write here, LED like, and we will say high, write it high, it will light up our LED. Now we want to light up for 1 second, so we will use a function here called delay, and in this we write seconds in milliseconds. So 1000, we want to turn it on for 1 second, we write 1000 milliseconds, and then we will write digital, and then we want to turn it off, so we will write digital light LED low. For how many seconds? For 1 second, so we write 1000 milliseconds. Now that's it. This is our blink program. Now we will run it. Start simulation. See, LED is blinking for 1 second. On 1 second on and 1 second off. If we change the program, and we will change the delay for 2 seconds, then we will see what will happen. The LED is on for 2 seconds. Now LED is off for 2 seconds. That's it.